Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the network mode on your TECNO router. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to the admin page of our router, and to do that we're going to connect to our router's network first, and after that we're going to go to the admin page. So it's usually the IP address of your router, and by default that's 192.168.0.1. So let's enter that. Now you might be logged out, so if you want to log in you need to use the password and username, and by default those are admin and admin lowercase, so it should look like this. So now let's log in, and let's go to the home tab. Let's go to the Wi-Fi settings. Here press advanced settings, and here we have network mode. So you can open up this drop down and select from the options that are available. And once you selected the option that you want, just press apply. It's gonna ask you to restart, press yes, and that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.